7:42 now. We'll talk weather. It's going to be a little bit cooler out there, Katie, and we're still waiting for that haze to get out of here.
Well, with wildfires continuing to burn in places across our state, definitely we'll still be dealing with smoky and hazy conditions in spots. But I will say the air quality is better, at least than what we saw last week and last weekend. You can see outside currently we're under a mostly cloudy sky. We're picking up some showers in spots into the mountains and across the southwestern corner of the state. In Denver this morning, we're waking up to some cooler temperatures. 54 degrees right now. We're under a partly cloudy sky, relative humidity higher and the upper 80s to low 90s in the percentage range there. And in terms of your weather headlines, it is going to be seasonal this afternoon. Scattered storms and showers will be likely mainly after 2 o'clock, and it's going to be even cooler as we start next week, feeling a little more like fall. And I will say that some of the higher elevations, mainly above 12,000 feet, are going to be seeing a light dusting of snow in spots this weekend. But right now we're waking up to some rainier conditions across the western slope. Absolutely much needed moisture. Great to see, but with heavier rain down near Montrose and some isolated storms near Telluride, do expect the potential in areas that are burn scarred to see some of those debris and mudslides happen. Fire weather watch will be in place for tomorrow, so rain today, tomorrow gusty winds, lower relative humidity, and that will extend in through the foothills, Estes Park, down through Netherlands, just west of Boulder for Sunday. Winds, though, right now, all is pretty calm up and down the I-25 corridor, just around 5-mile-per-hour winds near Parker. And in terms of our climate calendar for today, our record is 97, so back in 2012, we are looking at temperatures right near average. Mid-80s finally return, and our overnight low is actually a little bit cooler than what we normally see at 53 earlier on this morning. DIA currently at 54, 60s now and through Parker, with 56 in Boulder into the mountains, 40s and 50s with 60s across the plains. Now this afternoon, temperatures will be in the 80s from Sterling down through Lamar, not nearly as hot over the southeastern corner of the state. And then around the Denver area, do expect scattered storms to develop mainly between 2 and 7 o'clock, and then later on this evening will clear out. So here's our Futurecast taking us through the day. 12 o'clock this afternoon, very gusty winds at times over the eastern plains. We'll be under a mostly cloudy sky in Denver, into the mountains near Frisco, Winter Park. We'll see that storm activity also extending north over Estes Park and over the Palmer Divide through about 5 o'clock. And then tonight into early tomorrow morning, the rain will be heavier over the far eastern plains near Lyman and Sterling, but up and down the I-25 corridor will clear out. More sunshine expected for Sunday. Low temperatures will drop to the upper 50s to low 60s in and around the metro. Tomorrow, 91 degrees in Grand Junction, a little bit warmer into the mountains. A drier day over the state with 80s over the plains, and then nice and cool. Monday, 75 degrees in town with low 80s. Pleasant Tuesday. Drier weather returns, Eric, as we go through the middle and end of next week.